Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can see it's not like too bright. So today I'm filming I want to say a get ready with me. It's like a get ready with me type of video because I'm also going to show you guys my outfit, but yeah, the main part of this video is the hair, which you guys can already see how nice it is. Okay, I need to show you guys my earring because I love it. This hair is from Allove, or Allove, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, you guys will see. I'm gonna write their details in the description box. I'm gonna leave everything there, so if you guys are interested and want to check them out, please check out my description box. Everything will be there. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. I decided to show you guys my outfit as well because I thought I should spice things up. Yeah, and I also did my makeup today. I also did my eyeliner today, which I don't normally do anymore because I just never have time, and I always think I haven't done it in a very long time, so I don't think I'm gonna do it right. So I decided to go bold. I did a blue eyeliner and I love how it came out. It looks really nice. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video and hope you guys will love the hair as much as I love it because it's really nice. It also came with baby hair, which I don't normally pay attention to because I don't know, it can look a bit tacky if you don't know how to do it. Like me, I don't know how to do it. I decided to show you guys my outfit, but I'm not going anywhere because you guys know we are currently staying at home and not going anywhere. But yeah, this is my outfit to go to the kitchen. So today I'm showing you guys this hair from Allove. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is how it looks like. And if you guys are interested and want to check out this hair company, you can check my description box. I'm gonna leave all the details there. This is the hair. Okay, so it comes with the lashes. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It comes with two pairs of lashes, and then there's also a wig cap. And yeah, this is the hair. So yeah, this is the hair. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut the lace. So I have cut the lace and I have used my bronzer on the lace just to make it look a bit natural. So I'm just gonna put it back, see how it looks now. This is how it looks like. So what I'm noticing about this wig is that it is a bit loose, so I'm gonna have to use the adjustable straps just to make sure that it stays. I'm sure you guys can see that it is a bit loose, so I'm gonna use the adjustable straps just to tighten the wig and just make sure that it stays and not move. So I've never had a wig like this one before. You can actually stretch this. I've never had a wig like this before. I think that's why it's quite loose, because it's very stretchy. I really love the stretching material that they use here at the back, because sometimes when you tie those adjustable straps, your wig can be very tight and very painful. So I think I love those. I love this the stretchable whatever material that they use, because like even though it's tight, but it's not gonna be painful because it's stretchy. So I'm just gonna go and get my mirror because I forgot my mirror. It also came with this, so I'm gonna use my got to be glued. and show you guys what I would wear